In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a turn signal indicator bulb in the front of your Jeep Wrangler. This is pretty easy to do. You don't need any special tools, but I'll show you what to look out for along the way. Let's dive into this thing. So what you have to do is you have to kind of sneak your hand up and back of the header panel right here. And that's the socket, the back side of the lamp, the housing. So all you need to do, grab the bulb and twist it downward like this and pull the bulb out of the back of the lens housing, and then the bulb should pull it right out of the socket. This is the part number for the replacement bulb. It's a 3157. What you want to do while you're in here, check the socket out. This one looks like it's in really good shape. If it's burnt or anything like that, you may want to replace the socket. So if yours is in good shape, take your bulb, push it back in, and then put it back into the housing. There's a couple of tips on it. There's a notch there, a notch there, and a notch on the bottom. There's 3 of them. So what you have to do is you have to line those tabs up with these 3 openings in the back of the lens housing. So sneak your bulb in there. You're gonna have to worm it around a little bit. See, now mine just seated. Twist up, give it a tug, and that'll lock it into place. So that's all there really is to it. It's pretty easy to do. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.